What is a crime? It originates from the Latin word crimen, meaning accusation, fault, or offense. Definition from Black's Law Dictionary: a crime is an act or omission that violates a public law, either by doing what is prohibited or failing to do what is required, and results in a breach of public duty or rights. Note that a crime can be either a positive act or an omission that is the failure to act. Statutory definitions. According to Section 2 of the Criminal Code, a crime is an act or omission that renders a person liable to punishment under the code or any law termed as offense. And note that the word offense is more frequently used than crime in both codes. Important legal principles to note. 1. Always cite either the criminal code or penal code and relevant case laws when writing exams or legal texts for credibility. 2. You cannot be prosecuted for a crime unless it is clearly stated in a statute. This is tied to Section 11 of the Criminal Code. 3. An accused person is presumed innocent until proven guilty in court, as seen in Section 36(5), 1999 Constitution. 4. A person cannot be punished twice for the same offense once they've served their sentence or been acquitted. Double jeopardy. Section 36. Let's take a look at purpose of criminal law. Not explicitly listed in any code, but widely accepted purposes include: to prevent and forbid harmful conduct, to subject dangerous individuals to legal control, to preserve public order and decency, to ensure fair hearing and legal justice, to differentiate between minor and serious offenses, to ensure punishment for offenders. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe button below to get more updates from us. What constitutes a crime? 1. Must be an act or omission. 2. Must be codified, that is, written in a law or statute. 3. Must carry a legal punishment. 4. Prosecution is done by the state or federal government and not private individuals. For example, if a man rapes a woman, the state prosecutes the offender. The case will be state versus accused, not the victim versus the accused. Some actions may be immoral but not illegal. For example, ignoring a drowning person or dressing indecently. The law does not punish moral wrongs unless codified. See you in my next episode.